you need to come out for wherever you are hiding from. You know, making money on YouTube is very easy. There are lots of ways to make money.
Well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. If you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please just hit the notification bell. And for my hot subscribers, I say may God bless you all, guys. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much for helping me to grow this channel, guys. Thank you so much. Okay guys, today's video, it's all about my membership. I've got this for a long time now and I don't know what to do with it, guys. Yeah, I don't know what to do with it, but right now I am offering you lots of things. Yeah, if you join my membership, you know, you can get a shout out from me and be on your live stream. Oh my goodness, this is very short, guys. Very short. Okay, be on your live stream. I will be there from the start to the end. Anything you want me to do for you concerning YouTube, I will be there for you if you join my membership. Okay, you are going to get everything for free. You know, I will give you a shout out. You can also connect with me on social media, you know, discuss anything with me. What you don't know about YouTube, you can also discuss this with me. Okay, and again, you can also get access to all my new video, guys, and a big discount to you if you come to my store, and photo will be shared too. Okay, you can also share your photo with me to put on my community. You know, everything will be offered to you. Okay, if you are a young YouTuber and you want to grow your channel, this is the right place for you to be. Just join my membership and everything will be offered to you. Trust me, I won't leave you alone. I will make sure I help you to grow your channel, to get your watch hour, to get your subscribers. Trust me, just join my membership. Okay, and again, you know, giving you a shout out, oh my, this will make you to have a lot of traffic on your YouTube. Trust me. Okay, and sending and posting you on my community, this is also a good idea. Yeah, and being on your live stream from the start to the end, oh my goodness, this is good. And you will be getting free access to me, free access to my videos, and you can connect with me on social media, getting a discount from me if you purchase anything from my store on this YouTube. You know, so you have a lot to gain, guys. You have a lot to gain. Just join my membership. There are different steps there. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, you can also send me your photo, everything, anything you want to ask. You know, everything is so free. Okay, and with this, your YouTube will be wow. You know, you will get a lot of traffic on your YouTube. Your video, oh my goodness, will go worldwide. Trust me, guys, just test and see. Okay, don't forget to join this membership. It's very important. Don't ignore this video. This will help you, and this will carry your YouTube from zero to how you want it, guys. Just try your best to join this membership and you won't regret it. Okay, you all know Sexyosas. I'm a girl with a free heart. Okay, I tell you the truth. I don't like to deceive people, so just try this membership and you will thank me later. Okay, you will get free access to everything on my channel, guys. You know, if you want to be a big YouTuber, just test this and see. All right, guys, and again, let me just say this right now. You all know I'll be struggling of getting my subscribers, and I just hit 10,000 subscribers. Guys are so amazing. All those people that subscribe to me, I love you guys so much. Oh my goodness, oh, I'm so happy, and I'm so glad for the way you guys are showing me love. You guys are so amazing. Love you guys so much. Oh my goodness, 10,000 subscribers. What have I done to deserve all this love from you guys? You guys are so fabulous. I love you guys so much. Okay guys, try to join this my membership. If you want to be like Sexyosas or more than Sexyosas, just join this my membership, and all these will be offered to you. You will never struggle of getting a subscribers or watching hours, guys. Okay, or growing your channel. If you want your video to be seen all over the world, just join my channel, just join my membership, guys, and you will thank me later, guys. You know, I don't know how to thank YouTube for the way they are just carrying my channel as if I have paid their billions. You know, they are really good to me. YouTube, I love you guys so much. You guys are really doing an amazing job. You know, I'm so happy to join YouTube, guys. Yes, I'm so happy to join YouTube. You know, on my next video, guys, I'm going to be telling you about my first payment. You know, oh my goodness, YouTube blow everything up. Oh god, I'm really happy. That is the reason why I want you guys to join my membership. You know, I'm really making a lot of money on this YouTube, guys. Yeah, I'm making a lot of money, and everything is so wide and open. You can do the same, guys. You need to come out from wherever you are hiding from. You know, making money on YouTube is very easy. There are lots of ways to make money. So I will be talking about this on my next video, how you can earn more money on YouTube. Okay, so I will be saying more on my next video, how you can make more money on YouTube, guys. Okay guys, thank you so much for always helping your baby girl. You know, that is my favorite word to use. You know, thank you so much for always helping me to grow this channel. I love you guys so much, and you guys are so amazing. So this is the only way to live Sexyosas up, by joining my membership. So guys, that is it. Hope to see you guys around. I trust you guys are doing fine, and I trust you guys are okay. Just try to join my membership. Everything will be offered to you. Still telling you guys, you have the chance of shout out, access to social media, discount on my store, you know, sharing your photo on my community. All right guys, thank you so much, and may God continue to bless you all, and may your pockets never runs dry. The way you guys are making this, I don't know, the way you guys are showing me love, I love you guys so much. That's why I decided to open this membership for you guys to benefit from it, guys. Okay, so don't disappoint me. Thank you so much. Love you guys so much, and always remember that Sexyosas love you so much. Okay guys, love you guys so much. See you guys on my next video, and bye.